Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warrior LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warrior LTV. Keep it locked.
Now, I'm gonna tell you. We, as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? Set the bar for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this shit. Yes, brothers and sisters. Greetings once again in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I. And all things good and wonderful amongst us and about us. Welcome viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and we could help grow the platform now, man. Sure. Oh, now go on, so that's that. Yeah, that's not so hard. Anyway, just press the like button still. See? Well, in a recent time, yeah, you see a thing I go on. A serious thing, I'm not for laugh about, But again, you can't help but laugh. See? You have a soap opera I go on. See, by the channel named My View TV, yeah. With a war. A vibes we are going down a Riverton Rasta. Yo, may I tell you say, the man them attack everything. I never see nothing like that yet. I used to be glad Mr. Man don't condemn them sort of badness that we are going today. I mean, I condemn the youth, but you see the principle we are going today with the youth, them are going with us, say a badness, youth, a destruction, a prison. And it look like a that, you know what? I mean, I tell you like, when you have all our man now where the possibility for him get by, go to prison in a population with a stepper or a gangster like himself with a reputation like this out a road there. And even if himself knows that it's gonna be acceptable and no bow business and nothing. You know, so the standard change. You know, say it become a movie thing for the youth them. You know, see, it's surreal. You can't really, you have to wonder what is. You know, see it? Yeah. Everything is normal. And, you know, which dimension this is acceptable or would have been acceptable. You know, man a criminal. You're against law enforcement. Law enforcement usually, I mean, rules and law have to exist. If it don't exist, a chaos. See? So you have bad man, you have police, you have security, you have them sort of thing there, if necessary. See? Wouldn't mind you have the ideal utopic world where you don't have to have enough of them things there, man just cool with one another. Still, but for right now, we have to factor them things there in the equation. You know, see? And them stronger, them have more resource and support, you know, public support and things like that. Them usually have it. Them should have it. You know, see, we can use no corruption and things like that as an example of police support, public support for police in Jamaica. But usually them have it and it way up. You know, see it. So the likelihood for you come out triumphant in the event them sort of you know, interaction with the law regarding them thing. It no, me not see you know see someone like me not see the possibility. See, we could be clear. Someone I look fame. It's all about fame, Rasta. You know see, by any means necessary, the man them desperate for being in the limelight. And that is like say life so hard and desperate. That's the man them not see themselves and live out this. See. You know? And when you hear the man them talk about oh, them not broke. Them have money. You can't go listen to the Saga, Rasta, from My View. And many days I it. Seeing Syron and the Blingas crew. See, now a while back, I man did do a little clippings. But Syron, I say the police them come. And them are, you know, threatening him life and things like that. See? But it come like a all part of the play. We not say a lie, we not say a true. But this whole thing sound like a attention game, you know, which it usually is. But the level where the man them gone with it right here now, Rasta, it come like say the you know, the main achievement, the goal of the operation is to come on TV. For have them mugshot on TV and them thing there. This are the level where badman business evolve to. Alright, I don't know what to call it. Because them things never happened before. So I feel say almost the evolutionary process, like a reverse type of thing. I go on. And it's disgraceful. And the way how it's being, and to show you again, what we are looking at, what we are observing, it's how much, how accepting, how acceptable it is for behave them way yeah, on social media, in a public and them sort of thing there. You see it, cause again, a guy feel like he can do it and him still have integrity. Call him bad man integrity. Him still have bad man integrity. See? Brother, anyone I know have the missing relative, anybody a listener have the missing relative or nothing like that, we might have gone through the vicinity of Riverton City or something like that. We'll just go listen to them series of voice note there where them are sent for days now. One gang, I don't know who are send which gang or what, but the whole of them are bad man, I can't tell them so, and the whole of them are do things. Rasta. You see it. And I them behavior, yeah, the man them are uphold and I entertain. And I say them a bad man. You see it, no bad man usually not have nothing to do with rattings or informing, giving information, even upon them opponent, Rasta, even upon them enemy. You see it, it's against the code. Them money are now hold back nothing. Them money attack much people get dirt from the devil was a boy and who do it. Every details in a Rasta. Now, me not so legally savvy. But even in my, ignorance of the law and thing like that. Me no expect say them thing if you just go, me I say quietly like that and law enforcement now gather intelligence from them vice. A whole heap as far as me concerned, Rasta, a whole heap of intelligence in a them vice note here. If you don't mind sharp a conviction there, I mean, probably some little small little evidence need to gather, some little small formalities. And it's supposed to, and the police them supposed to get at least, at least one conviction, Rasta. The man them now all about nothing. I walk up the road and when I look up there, I see the boy Johnny and the boy Johnny look my way and then I take my eye off him and walk across the road and when I look again, and John that me see a point him going down the road for me and a bus, be a wild shot off from me, the boy Johnny bus. That's me I say. No. And the man an informer, You can't call them informer. You can't tell them say them an informer. No, the man an informer. No, man an informing that. And just talk one to him on social media. Informing is going to the police station and make the officer at the front desk take out the big book. Or a detective carry go around a private office and take out a big book or a pen or and you talk everything what you know and him right. That is informing. You see? That's not even no great informing neither. Because you could have shock and do that. Informing I go in a court then. Go sit down in the chamber and give statement. Yeah, I go sit down in the witness stand and give statement. Yeah, and that are informing. Them things are not informing. Them things are not informing. It don't look so. When me I grew up Rasta, a man there even a man enemy get bite for something where the enemy do him. The man there now him step a gangster, him never got a court, him never plan for it. I mean, the old way of police know say, or the law enforcement know say him do him something is because probably it in the street. You know, see it? Yeah, man. So, without water in our mouth, man, we want to tell them youth, they say, you know, Syron and the whole of them down, they say. And the badness that not go away. Being farming. See? Matter of fact, we never know Riverton as a bad place. I did that Riverton turn bad place. I them could think that, you know, youth them cross the world for know, you know, or cross Jamaica for know, you know. And everywhere Kingston was bad place or a bad place, and I have no need, I have no, you know, bad man, gangster sort of history, practices and principles. No. You see, never know Riverton as a bad place. Bad man pass through Riverton, people just have Riverton as a dump. No disrespect to the people that live down there and them go away there. You know, see, but the concentration of badness, the people that were in there, that may I try say, never have the pension there, and never aim. Riverton wasn't no way for maintain any farmer bad man standard anyway. And it still is. It's so from where we see what go on here. So no disrespect. You see, big up Rashid Bull anywhere there in the world, my general. Anywhere in the world you're there, my boss. Big up yourself. You see, but them youth here, when them youth here go on with is a disgrace to both sides of the circle. Me should have the opportunity right now to say, take up gangster business and can go turn police. Muda go turn police or soldier. I want to tell you muda quicker turn, not quicker than soldier, but muda turn police than go join them. Rasta muda rather turn police if a gun me love so. You know see, that be you waste your life, you give away your life. You know see, cause what the sense, Rasta, when a man go up on social media, go give what kind of shirt you did have on, what you eat the day, color the look up on your teeth, and all them sort of thing there. Give so much details on social media regarding a man they even talk with no farmer, you know. No cover, nothing. Man, boy, I tell you no disgraceful, no bumbo cloth. I'm not business with sit a man who want to look on this with admiration, like so well then them sort of something there, something we're supposed to be emulated or, you know. That's why I'm not call certain boy, they want to feature certain things on that channel there, you know. Because at that the junker them I look for, no matter how it seems depraved to we or we talk about it with you know, with disdain. That them sit down there and enjoy, like them and laugh to themselves and I say kick. Yeah, when him say they're the wickedest, yeah, when him say I'm cool, I see it and living on me. Yeah, I'm like at them thing that them celebrate. Them little sick, twisted idiot, yeah. What kind of fuck with that Rasta? And that's a gangster business go, man. Man fi have a cause, Rasta. Man fi have a cause. Man fi have ambition, a pattern, a standard, a plan. You see? A escape plan. You not do it for dead. And glorify on the big at the high point on a funeral that much people come. Enough of people come for a funeral than when you got Harry Joseph's funeral to Rasclat. They can't see this no other way. You see it? Yeah. And you come in at the newspaper say, your case was the most abominable experience for the circuit jury them, for the judge and the staff at the courthouse where you get tried, you know, based on the evidence that when you know, you go down in a history as the silliest criminal, the most easiest criminal for work with. Syron. The whole of me talk over the Syron and the Blingas crew. You want some serious man, come over there. You see it? Them look at thing that wanna go on with the Rasta, it come like somebody setting up to it. Just to create a you know, a joke thing that man, a boy, the fish business that you not go on with over there. So Simon Syron. Depon social media every minute, but I was telling you now, them kill my brother and my brother dead and my brother rate. 5 years ago your brother dead, Rasta. You have enough time to heal and come to a consciousness where you can act militantly if you have plan to defend your brother or anything. Not on social media talk about brother, and your brother, and like I know, like I yesterday it happened and all of them things. No disrespect to the dead, and no disrespect to the people them in them pain and lose them flesh and family. But after a while, them thing becomes balance. And I like say it always up, there's a pain and a pressure you done 5 years. Hey Syron, you're a blood clotting farmer. Come off of social media and shut up your... Come off of the media and go. People are talking of embrace and all that. You know? And that's the little fuck with them where you're going with. You know, see, everybody will laugh after you're fucking informer and talk about people who are talking about social media, bad boy and rare. My vex, the waste time I talk about me, you talk about say the police them corrupt and I come after you and thing like that, man. No say you know it's endemic in Jamaica, in a police force in Jamaica. So it's no strange and them forget pointed out. But right now we all look back and if I lie you did I tell Rasta. If you only do that, you sit down in yourself and you just orchestrate the most drastic argument or the attention-grabbing argument where you could have find. So for draw some attention to yourself. This is what this is all about. Attention-seeking, Rasta. What? You know, grow up with no parents. Eh? Abandon you in a Riverton, Rasta is a chuck you go down there, you know? Eh? Or you reach a Riverton, Syron. Eh? No, Rasta. Unacceptable. No business nobody there, Rasta. You bow out the game. You bow out the business. You bow out badness. You fi go, man. Move your bumbo cloth. You know, see it. One of the rest of man, them no shame on you. You're supposed to have enemy right across Jamaica. You're not supposed to carry run with left Riverton go nowhere. You're not supposed to carry left Riverton go find no farmer abiding place amongst nobody nowhere. Riverton star you is. You know, see it. No disrespect to the people about Riverton. All of we are ghetto people, we have the same nature. Could have been me, just as a different ghetto. Me as a man find myself. You know, see it? But when you don't have things like them, you go on amongst in a place like that, Rasta. You know, we have to wonder. I have to wonder, man. I have to wonder. You know? But the authorities, because Riverton don't know if nobody hide and keep and flare up and them on social media go on them we a Rasta. No. Riverton don't know no place nobody hide and go on so. One curfew and Riverton lock down and find who for find and take out blood clot Syron. Can go take away mobile phone from him. You know see it? How did them look at you to Rasta? Then you could have come and my community now come say, yeah, chill out with me because you're warm over Riverton. And me feel trusting for have you amongst me. And I feel like y'all go up on social media and talk everything when you say, go on, but no, Rasta. Syron, no. No. That acceptable to some mix-up girl. Well, up fat tail and them on corner and them a pump and a prime and a push, you know. If you do them fuck queer. You know, see, every blood clot stepper. Natty mag and bone are rackling in the grave, you know. Sandock and the whole of them man there. No, Rasta. As even though we don't embrace everybody type of badness, you know, everybody history or anything like that. The standard still was different, You know, see, at least you never did have man. Syron, hey, the go with that bumbo clot. I don't want to come sorry food and come talk about it. Hey, stay down the Riverton, you know. And nobody enough to accept blood clotting farmer like you in them place neither. Enough can run from down there so go nowhere. We just stay down them and I want to deal with the security forces them Rasta. You know say, can I fuck with this? I must say like this yet. You know modern day society. And them together up on social media. I propagate to youth and youth out there when I have no other hopes and other choice to do nothing else. You know what I say? We more than come join the happy gang now. You know, see, right now, one of the freaking, you look like one of the criteria if he becomes a gangster these days is having a viable mobile phone. You know, see, can't put it no other way, Rasta. Can't make it no other way. You know, see, you have a mobile phone and all of your social media site them. You have a membership for Twitter, WhatsApp. Bad man on a bomb clot. Everybody wherever. If I know about me wasn't none, and me no want to be none, me glad to. So I want to shift the standard. That mean I was nothing. I was a cool runnings youth. You know see, them nastiness here is badness. Yes, Rasta. Yeah. You see it anyway. Informers. Self-snitcher. You know what? Some slap with cut. That's how the fuck up thing is. That's how I'm proud of myself I do it, you know. When I'm proud of myself I do it, think I do myself a service. I'm not, hey, you know, hey, blood clot disgrace.